Yo, what's going on YouTube? We back though. We back with a trade. Look, like the last days. I think like since post my trade recap, right? My last trade recap or live day trading. I think I didn't do a trade anymore. I'm not sure. Maybe I did, but if I did, it wouldn't be a loss. It would be a win because I'm on a streak right now. Like um, since I don't know, like 3 weeks or something. I don't know. But yeah, or 2 weeks, I think. So today was. Wait, first of all, let me see if y'all even see my screen. Alright, y'all see my screen. Um, oops, what happened here? Okay. Yeah, today was nice. Let's see. Alright, bro, I marked many things, so. Yeah. So we had market open. We came down to this 5 minute. I wanted to take a long. Um, yeah, it just there wasn't an entry to take a long. Yeah. Then from there, I just wanted to take a continuation long, right? So you see, like we accumulated, manipulated downside, came down into this. I mean, we didn't came down, but wait, let me just go away. Okay. Um, yeah, we came down here, resweep, reswept this 5 minute, 1 minute, and made also an SMT from this down move. I think this is the one. Hopefully, let's see. 955. 955. All right, yeah, that's the SMT. Like from this low, made a lower low on S&P and higher high on Nasdaq. Yeah, there wasn't. I mean, there was an entry. I wanted to take that, but I really wanted to make a 15-minute gap because on my back test, when I was like back testing, we like made a gap, didn't make any moves, like we just accumulated till we made a 15-minute gap, came down to this 15-minute gap, and then saw a reaction out of it. Um, but I think I should have like put more emphasis into this SMT here. Because first of all, we reswept this 5 minute. We are inside this 5 minute, and we also made this SMT, so there is no need for a 15-minute gap fill. You know. Uh, yeah, I think this was the. I mean, like the thing, like that I made wrong today. So this would be like this. If we inverse that, something like that, right? So this is break even, of course, and then maybe to this 1-to-1. Okay, this would have been the trade. By the second, so I mean like I just took one trade, but the second idea was this one. That's where I took my trade off of. Wait, is that a 5 minute? Wait, it is though. I didn't saw that, but still, I think. Oh, we are on the 1 minute. I'm sorry. Okay, bro. Yeah. Why did I thought that we are on the 5 minute? Yeah. I think we got an SMT also on here. Yeah. Wait a minute. Woo! Shit. Yeah, we came down on S&P, swept this high time frame high here. I think this is a 1 hour high. Yes, a low. I'm sorry. Um, so we swept this 1 hour low, key level low here in this range. And on an S&P on Nasdaq didn't. We just came down, filled this 15-minute gap that I wanted to see filled. We filled that. We got a good wick to the upside. From there, we invest this gap here. I was looking for the 1-1 till this 5 minute gap because we made a drastic move to the downside. So I thought, okay, this could be the reversal, because we didn't even made a we didn't even made a gap on S&P or something just to go lower, go higher. I'm sorry. That's why I thought, okay, maybe we just fill this 5 minute of this SMT in this 1 minute inverse and the 50 minute fill, and then go lower maybe. But this wasn't the case. We came up and swept this for a high here that I marked out. And yeah, but I got the piece of a pie. This is like the most probable, like it was actually 1-1, hopefully. The most probable take profit, okay? But this was a break even because I want to take a 1-1. This 5 minutes point was the break even point, and the TP was at the 1-1 mark. Okay. Yeah. It was pretty quick, just in one candle after just a bit of accumulation. Yeah. Nothing more than that. Now I didn't show my trades last time. I'm sorry, but I took my trades. I post on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. You'll see. Now I'm gonna make this bigger. I can. Bro. Alright. Now this is a trade. Look at long here, short it there. I got out there. And this is how I made like $45. I de-risked like in general because I wasn't too confident on my trades, but I think now it's time to size it a little bit up, just a little bit, not like do $100 like to 1%, like maybe 0.7 or 0.8. All right, I think just to get the trades in, the profits in, because we are in drawdown like I think 6%. We were in profit like 6%. Now we in drawdown at 6%. So we pretty we messed up, guys. We messed up, yeah. But yeah, I think it was a pretty good trading day. I mean, my thoughts were like right, because here we did fill a 5 minute. I think. Wait, where is it? Here. Yeah, we did fill a 5 minute on here, but look, so we filled that. We didn't invest here, and also we came down and didn't swap this key level low in this this internal low in this gap. So there's no trade. Like if you like ask, like here's no trade to take, and there was no gap. So yeah. But this one I was pretty sure of that. I should have risked more. I didn't. But yeah, next time maybe. So hopefully on. Oh, y'all didn't even see my screen. No, I'm sorry, bro. I'm so dumb, bro. So what I was talking about is this. We came down into this 5 minute gap, and we didn't invest that. So if y'all like trade in this market today, yeah, maybe y'all got a gap, because I have capital.com. Some people have like Pepperstone or something else, and there was a gap actually because I heard it from a friend. He took this trade actually. But yeah, we made internal low. We came down to this 5 minute, but we didn't sweep this internal low, so there's no trade and there's no gap to inverse. But yeah, but this one was high probable. This is the one I should risk more, right? Man, I think I repeated myself like 3 times. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed that. See y'all. God bless. Praise Jesus. Yeah, he's real, man. I'm pretty sure of that, because my prayers got answered. Not about the straight. It's just like in private, but I'm telling y'all, he's real. Believe in him, and he will make your path straight. All right. God bless.